Well, this video is about getting new queens in these hives. Welcome back to Russian River Bees here in Northern California. Today we're going to do some splits here. We got some queens and some healthy queens, and we're going to put them in those boxes today. And that's today's video. Don't forget, subscribe, likes, and comments. We care about your health and your allergies. Honey for allergies, come see me here in Northern California. So here we are. We're gonna get this done and make sure it works. Gonna get those queens right now. Okay, here are the two ones we're going to put in each hive. And if you can look in here, oh, she's a big queen. And she's been mated. She's not marked. We don't mark our queens. We're based on production. Okay, so let's give it a try. All right, now we got some frames here in case we're going to need them. But we're gonna see right now what we're gonna need. This is a real tight one here. Oh, I gotta get my tools. Oh, be right back. Okay. Now these bees are gonna come flying out of here, so let's get out of their way here. And let's go ahead and open her up, and here they go. There we have it here. Now, a little aggressive here. I have to wait a little bit here. They're locked up for a little while. They've been locked up, so they're going to be a little angry. And we're going to see if they'll accept that. That's the acceptance part of this. There is candy in here, so let's see how they feel about this. We're going to spray a little bit of water here, a little sugar water. Slow them down a little bit. Okay, this is their patty. I'm going to get that back to them. They've been eating that. That's pretty good. Now, go ahead and see what they've done here. There's some brood here. I don't know what's in here, but if there's no brood, we're gonna have to make some, right? So we're going to put it here somewhere. The candy down. Some people put it sideways, I put it straight. And we're going to try to get it in here. This one is the candy. Hold on. That's the sugar candy right there. We'll put this here. Let's see how they do that. We'll go easy here and see what's going on. We got the food back where it was. They're calming down, if you noticed. They're calming down. They are calming down. Now you see how they accept the queen. This is the cork and the sugar's on the bottom. Okay, they're not as... So let's go ahead and move this down because we need to bring it down a level. And that's where we're at. This is the acceptance. Hopefully they'll accept her, but most likely they should. Let's get some plastic for this. I'll be back with plastic right now. We're going to cover that. And now that is our first, right there. That's how you do it. And now they're open here. And that's where they're at. And then we'll get that later. Well, that's it for now. Let's go to the next one. Here we have another hive that we're doing, and this one here, needed a queen. It's a split. We have a lot of brood in here. I don't know how much brood we have, but we just took it from this hive and put it in this hive and checked for a queen. Now they're surrounding this queen. They're very excited about her, I think. Hopefully, I think they are. So we're going to go ahead and close this one up.